Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added a new feature that you can edit your Instagram comments once you have posted. For example, if you have commented somewhere and if you have done any mistake, you can edit your comment. So how this feature work, I will show you in my mobile screen. So once you watch this full video, let me know do you have received this new update or not. So here I have opened my Instagram account. So I will post it something here, testing. So it is posted now. So here you can see I have a option to edit. I will click on edit and I will remove this testing and I will put the emoji here and I will click on save. So you can see uh, that testing thing is replaced with emoji, and also you can see here edited. So let me know if you have received this new update. Thanks for watching this video.